Hey, it's Marshall Hughey here from Batesville, Alabama. I fish off of a 24-foot pontoon rig. A couple things that I'm going to, observe and make sure it's ready to go on this boat. Get your straps undone. I do a little visual inspection as we're walking around the boat. Make sure everything, looks and appears fine. I like to check all my wiring that's exposed to any kind of damage while you're on the water. Make sure nothing is rubbed. Also, you always want to, if you've got your motor on the rest pin here, the rest lock, you always want to make sure that it is in the unlocked position. It's a little aggravating if you back in and have not done that yet. A couple more things. We've got some straps back here on the rear that we've got to get off before you can back in. I like to check my transducer wiring. Make sure everything is good on it, and we'll back this thing down here in the water in a few minutes and get this thing launched.